Barbie
there you go, Barbie pancake.
Barbie pancake.
What's that pancake for your Barbie? Rob owed me a walk, and it's 7:53, and he's over here.
Well, I'm making
cranking out breakfast for the
I
kids.
want a pancake.
And he has the weekend, so
You have to make pancakes every morning.
he hasn't made pancakes in a while.
Long time.
Oh, long time.
What? It's only been like for 2 weeks. There you go.
Those some big fat pancakes,
I know.
Rob.
Yeah,
Are you
I have
hungry?
Hmm?
Are you hungry?
No.
They're so fat though.
No, you know.
Like you wish you could eat one.
So which one you getting?
Are you gonna eat one, Rob?
This one.
No, I don't want it.
Oh, there's there chicken still left over?
In there.
Yeah.
Okay, I want that for
They
lunch.
forced me to get up to go put it away.
Babe, is
2
this?
in the morning.
Are you finished with this?
Huh?
Oh, it's the sugar-free one. Babe, could you
Oh,
stop?
Sorry.
He did that to me.
It's not funny.
It's not funny either.
It's annoying.
Oh wow.
Oh, there go the chicken and the beans and garbanzo beans situation. And our fridge is empty because we have to go grocery shopping today.
Oh, you ain't coming? You ain't getting one.
Right, Rob? Are we going grocery shopping
Yours?
today?
Where's your plate? Yeah.
Okay, so while Rob is over there, mass feeding the children all that dough, I'm gonna go get my jacket and get ready to get out of here. It's such a beautiful Sunday. I look forward to Rob's and I, our walk. I look forward to our walk every single weekend. It's like Saturday and Sundays we go walking because I don't go walking by myself anymore since the crazy neighbor tried to run me over with her car. So I don't go walking by myself anymore. So I just like, you know. So if you don't know, yeah, I used to go walking every single morning. And crazy tried to run me over with her car. And I had to call the popo. I don't give a crap who follows me anymore. I blocked everybody. And Cray tried to run me over with her car. So I had to call the popo. And, you know, of course, BP over there came out of her house. So I just cussed out everybody. And ever since then, I feel good. Because they know how I feel. And I know how they feel. So that's that. Anyways, we're going to go for a walk on this beautiful Sunday morning. I hope you guys are having an amazing Sunday. Because I am. And I will see you guys on our walk. Rob made coffee. I don't trust his coffee. He doesn't have the greatest coffee making skills.
Oh, that's so rude.
Oh, babe, here go the alarm. We're late.
The what? For the car?
That's
how you walk here.
To go for a walk. What time we went walking yesterday? We went 8:30. So
You guys have 30 minutes left.
I'm breaking out again. I don't know what's going on. I think it's just stress. But I don't have anything to stress about. Like, Rob takes care of everything. So, you know, in a sense, I am a trophy wife. Am I a trophy wife, honey?
Sure.
Which one has more sprinkles, Daddy?
Rob
Yeah.
made me a trophy wife, so, you know.
That one has more
I'm not a trophy wife, baby.
Yeah.
I'm a trophy wife. Look at my hair. I'm a trophy wife.
Yeah, I said you can get that one.
I'm a trophy wife. Rob, shut up. He has to finish. We have to finish the bathroom. Shout out to Kathy. Her comments always crack me up. Always. Your comment always cracks me up. It's like, let me tell you who are my regular commenters. I think Kathy. I haven't seen Deborah in a while. I haven't seen Deborah. Of course, Shay. Mia. I found this new person. I think her name is Just Enjoy XO. She has a channel. I went over to her channel and I was like binge watching because I love when my subscribers that comment under my video has channel of themselves for them. Babe, how do you say it? He always makes fun of me, so I can't really talk in front of him. I love when my subscribers have a channel. So I went over to her channel and I'm
She's
not.
That was my mouth. That was Desi's mouth.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm really sorry. My husband
Desi, tell me this now. No, that was my
doesn't have
mouth.
any home training.
That was my mouth.
That was your mouth? Thank you so much for trying to cover for your daddy. But
So if you want to learn exercise,
yeah, so
yes, do that.
who else?
You mean fart?
Who else?
Pass gas.
Bless this crazy mess. She has a channel also.
Pass gas. It says it.
Reno, Jessica, she has a channel too. Jennifer, I'm so proud of her. She started her channel about a few months ago and she's already at 1,000 subscribers. So yeah, I'm proud of her. And who else? If I don't remember everybody else, I'm sorry, but I do have a few loyal commenters who make sure to comment every single time, which, you know, makes a creator special because, you know, when you create content, you want to know that everyone enjoys it and interact and, you know. Anywho, Rob, let's go, please.
I'm waiting. Okay, I'm waiting. I'm going right
I
now.
hate getting dressed and sitting around. I don't like it.
I didn't expect to come down.
My anxiety is like acting up, and I don't like having anxiety on the weekend.
Jackson, get your candy. Thank you, Jackson.
Look at the savage. Look at them.
Look at the size of that thing.
Look at them.
That was so low.
Why are you making them big dough so early in the? I gotta go.
Good?
So, just getting back in the house from my walk. So cold out there. It's freezing. Oh, she messed it up. It's fine. It's freezing out there. Now we gotta go to Walmart to go to Now we gotta go to Walmart to go grocery shop and get ready for next week. Where's this little one?
Make sure it's recording.
Marty. You can jump. Guys, I tried to vlog in Walmart. It's much later, but it was just too busy, so I gave up on vlogging our. But guess what I ran into?
No, I ran into.
Well, Destiny ran into my old Ergo carrier that Marcelo friend or coworker, was it? Yeah, Marcelo old coworker got it for us, and I loved it. But okay.
Can't touch me.
But anyways, it's dinner time, and it's dinner time, and Rob's cooking us dinner. All I have to do is make the rice. Did you guys stir the rice? Hold on. Hold on. I gotta stir the rice. Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Can't touch this.
I want to listen to it. That's how much for cooking.
I had a weird dream. We were at the store and we could buy whatever we want, and I was like grabbing a big cup. I was grabbing a big thing of avocado.
Yeah, I did. Cause
I
you
was
can turn it
grabbing.
back up because I'm done. What you want? You want to come down?
I was.
Look how big Maddie is.
I was getting a big.
Okay, all right, you can come down
In
now.
the shape of a cup, and in my dream, the top fell off. I was like, I have to get away next. And the other people were like so far. I was like, I have to go. And Daddy was in
I
there.
miss wearing
And I
this
said-
thing.
And I said, wait, I need to go get something. And Dad said, wait. And then I ran back and got the cover and talked to him.
I miss my Ergo. You guys are making too much noise.
We were in a pie battle. There's like nurses there
Way too
with
much.
a lot of food. You could put whatever Chinese. You could put whatever Chinese food, and I got the Chinese chicken with the rice. We could like sleep there, and it was Chinese chicken. When I woke up, I was like, "Where's my Chinese
Vlogmas today because it's been busy. Finishing up projects, getting ready for this door won't stay. Finishing up for prepping for next week. Ready to go moisturize my hair. What do I need to take out right now? I'm getting ready to go moisturize this bad boy. Stuff in there. So the edges, I don't know how to get my edges back. If you know how to get edges back and you're a black girl, please let me know, because I've been without braids for about a month, and you know me, I don't do well with natural hair, like rocking it. I don't even know how to do natural hair, to be quite honest. I've always just put a perm in my hair and just go. But I really do want to take care of my hair and learn how to, you know, just rock my natural hair. But the edges won't come in right here. Won't come in, which makes me look like I have receding hairline. Cause with all from braiding my hair so often and having it stay in for so long, it took, when I take the braid out, my hair is so thin, like naturally thin, that it just goes. It goes. And then I found out today that this side of my hair is much shorter. Like, okay, this is where my hair comes on this side, alright? On this side, this bad boy. This bad boy is all the way down here. Like, why is one side of my hair much longer, you see? And thicker. You see how thick this is? Thin. So my hair is just a whole hot mess. Hot mess. But I'm not gonna, because usually when I discover something's wrong with my hair, I shave it off and start over. But I'm not going to. I'm gonna work with what I have. And if it doesn't catch up, then we're just gonna have to trim this bad boy down. And then for on my wish list for Rob, I gave him the Revlon One Step something blow dryer. It's kind of like a brush. I can put that on my list. And he gonna go, what color? I'm like, pink. He's like, why don't I just give you the money and you go buy it yourself? Why is it a Christmas present if you know exactly what you're getting? But anywho, so this is what I've been using to moisturize my hair when I'm not gonna wash it. So I use this, and then I put this coconut oil. So it's liquid, cream, and then oil. So that's what I do to moisturize my hair. And then some nights I don't even detangle because I'm not about that life. So I just section off my hair. I already showed you guys. So that's what I'm getting ready to go do, is to go moisturize this bad boy. And put up this video. Let's go see. Oh gosh, I just dodged that one.
Oh no!
Gosh.
Okay, this is a weird. When they were like sleeping, it started fire. It started a fire, and we were trying to get up on all the floor.
You started a fire?
In my dream. So it started fire, and it went all the way up, and we had to survive, and we went, and we couldn't go anywhere. So we had to jump out the window, carefully though, on top of the roof.
I have a tree. There's a trampoline in the desert with a dog jumping on it so high that it went to the
Your
roof.
teeth are red. No, I'm taking this. You get to work. Your teeth are red.
Yeah, because I took one of the things.
Here.
And
at the roof, we were like crossing the line so we could die.
Wait,
Maddie,
Maddie,
someone died.
can I tell Mommy something?
That might name What? I have my
Better eat that stuff. Ow.
What? That's what you get for not listening.
Rob
to my
making us smell on that side. Oh, these look so yummy.
And some stuffing.
So scrumptious. Oh, he made stuffing.
He's making.
This is leftover stuffing from our neighbor for Thanksgiving. Thank you. Oh, copyright.
Yeah. I need it in a second.
Copyright. Where's your thing?
Oh gosh, Robbie's. Are you gonna send it to your mommy so she can be proud of you?
Is this for sandwiches?
Huh? No, you can have those.
Yeah, can I eat it?
Yeah,
No,
you can
they
eat
make your teeth red and then it tastes like plastic.
Yeah.
it. Yeah, I did say he could eat it. No,
You fixed it.
I don't want to fix that.
Fix
Leave me
your
alone.
face for Milanesas.
Oh Lord. Oh, Ben, she wants to do. Give her, share with her, Jackson. What do you say?
They're
What do you
gonna
say?
taste
Someone gives you something. What do you say?
Ugh. You guys, I feel bad for you guys. I'm so skinny. This fits.
And some rice too.
Yeah.
Maddie, want to come in here?
Mina sauce,
Jason, look.
filling,
Look, Jason.
and rice.
Juju!
No!
Juju!
No, put it
Juju,
back.
Juju, Juju, Juju,
Come on,
Juju
go
needs a
back.
haircut.
Put it back.
Juju. Juju, 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 Juju. Juju, 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 Juju. Come on. Juju, 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 Juju. Look at him. He's looking at me like, you don't never play with me, lady.
So,
Look, you need a haircut.
sick.
Judge, you always, you stay in the mix. You just stay in the mix, doggy. Daddy needs a sweet potato. Come, Jason. Go. Get Daddy a sweet potato.
I'm going to save this for tomorrow.
Who's doing that?
Jason, there's already one in there left over.
Oh, we stopped buying those. Because we find out that it's much cheaper to get the other sweet potato. But that is such a convenience because it's like $1.44, but it's already wrapped. And
My baby.
it's a thicker plastic than if we were to do them. You guys are so cute.
Am I doing it right? Am I doing it right?
Mm-hmm.
You strap it back.
Put me down.
Dad.
Boy, pull that quick.
Let's see if I can fix my hair.
What does copyright mean?
Meaning you're copying, right?
Plagiarism.
They're copying.
Ew, basically.
Maddie.
What is that?
Maddie.
That's egg?
Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Someone end the vlog. My hair's a mess.
Thanks guys, subscribe, like, and get sunshine. Bye bye.